Hi, I'm Chef Tammy Brawley and welcome to Heart of the Home. I'm going to show you guys an absolutely delicious recipe. It's so filling, so full of protein, you won't even miss the meat. I can promise you that. We're doing healthy veggie bowls. We've got a nice chewy rice here. I've used a red and a black and a brown rice together. We're going to roast some vegetables and make a dressing to go with that. And we're going to top that with some quick pickled onions that I'm going to show you how to make. First, we're going to go ahead and put our vegetables in the oven. Now, the recipe is so versatile. If you guys don't like mushrooms or you're allergic to them, then don't use them. I've got sweet potatoes and mushrooms, and we've tossed them with some olive oil, salt, and pepper. We're going to pop them in a 425-degree oven for about 15 minutes or so. And then while those are in the oven, we're going to go ahead and move on a few things. I've got a dry skillet here. I'm actually going to char some corn. We want this to get somewhat brown, so we don't want any sort of liquid. And it's already frozen, so there's going to be a little liquid there. But we're not looking to steam it. We're actually looking to make it brown, so that's going to take a few minutes. I've got it on about a medium-high temperature. We have a small saucepan. We have a half a cup of water. We're going to do a half a cup of apple cider vinegar. We're going to add a teaspoon of salt. And you want a tablespoon of a sweetener. Your sweetener of choice is totally fine. I happen to like agave. It's very easy to use. A honey is fine with this, a maple syrup. So we're going to do a tablespoon of sweetener in there. I can hear the corn starting over here. And now we're going to move this little saucepan over to a low burner. Just want that sugar to dissolve and that salt to dissolve, so we're going to turn that on. Keep an eye on that. Corn is okay where it is. So now what we're going to do is we're actually going to cut the onions. I already have a half of an onion here already peeled. We're going to pour that mixture directly over these onions when it's done. We have got that apple cider vinegar, water, a little bit of agave, and some salt, and we're going to pour it over top of the raw purple onions or red onions, and it's going to sit at room temperature for about a half an hour or so, and then I can put them in the refrigerator with the lid on, and they'll last at least a week, if not longer. Let's go ahead and make a cilantro lime dressing. I put this sauce on everything. I absolutely love doing this dressing. We have got some cilantro, we've got some coriander, some salt, and a whole garlic clove, and some olive oil. The olive oil goes in last. Now what we have here is a tremendous bunch of cilantro. I think the recipe calls for like 2 cups. Stem and all, right into your food processor. Add a 1/4 cup lime juice. We're going to add a garlic clove and some coriander and some salt. We're going to process that. And now, as that starts to break down, we're going to slowly add our olive oil to it through the top of the feed tube. Smells so fresh and so bright. All right, the corn is starting to char quite nicely. We don't want it burnt. We just want to pick up some charring brown on the kernels. All right, so our vegetables have been roasting in the oven for about 20 minutes or so. I like a little bit of caramelization on the sweet potatoes. And if you're interested in getting local sweet potatoes, we have Garner's Produce in Richmond County. So here is our charred corn. And I really do kind of like to compose this particular salad. So we'll put corn on one corner. And we can put the rest of the corn on the other corner. And now we're going to take our mushrooms. We'll top our mushrooms here on top of that rice. And you could use a plain rice if you wanted to with this, but I love the chewy texture of the wild rices and red rices. I think they're just so much better. We've done kale in this, which I think is equally as delicious. And we're going to put our sweet potatoes here on the other corner. And then maybe we'll garnish with some of those pickled onions right into the middle there. And now we have our cilantro lime dressing over to the left here that was in our food processor. Just drizzle that over the top. Nice bright cilantro lime dressing over those healthy vegetables and those delicious pickled onions. And we can garnish with some lime wedges. And there you have it, a healthy vegetable bowl. I'm Chef Tammy Brawley from the Green Kitchen. Join us next time on Heart of the Home.